Guys, welcome back to another section of Uncle Sam online tutorial. Remember, before you do any other thing, to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, please. And also follow me on my social media handle on TikTok, on Facebook, and on Instagram. Okay, in today's class, we're going to solve this indices question. Why is it indices? Because once we see power here, yes, we can only solve this using the laws of indices. So what can we do here? Somebody might ask, because multiplication in indices, I told you in the basic law of indices, that multiplication means addition of the powers. But you can only add the powers if both of them have the same base. But here, 8 is different from 5, so they don't have the same base. And also here is 10. This is division, so we can't actually do something, but we can do something. So what can we do? Now, the first thing to do here is to actually rearrange this. This 10 solution, this can also mean I can reduce this to the lowest base, which is same thing as well. 2 to the power of 3 will give me 8. Then I'll also put bracket to put the power that it came with, 1 over 3, okay? Times 5 to the power of 2 over 3. Yeah, I'm not touching this one. Yeah, there's nothing I'm touching it for, because 5 is already in this lowest base. All divided by. Now, this 10 can be split. You know that 2 times 5 will give us 10, right? So I can actually split the 10 to mean 2 times 5. So it's now 2 times 5 to the power of what? 2 over 3. I hope you're following. So it's looking like something we can now do. Now, rearranging this is going to be here. The 3 here is going to cancel this 3 here. So you're just left with what? 2 to the power of 1. So 2 to the power of 1 times 5 to the power of 2 over 3 all over. Then I can split this power between these two things inside. So it means 2 to the power of what? 2 over 3 times what? 5 to the power of what? 2 over 3. Yes, if I join this together, it will still give me back what? 10. So I'm not changing anything, okay? So the next thing I'm going to do here now is, these things are looking very familiar. And since it's division that is what? Since it's division that is separating both of them, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to separate it in terms of division. So this is something as, let me write it here, 2 to the power of 1 all over 2 to the power of 2 over 3 times what? 5 to the power of 2 over 3 all over what? 5 to the power of 2 over 3. Okay, now you already know that since both of them are the same thing, what do you think is going to give us? Since if you have two things, let's assume a over a, if you divide it, it's not going to give you 1. So same thing is going to apply here. So this is already what? 1. So now we just have to solve this. So how do we solve it? This is going to be rearranged as 2 to the power of what? 1 divided by 2 to the power of 2 over 3. Then the one that we got here times our 1, okay? So the next thing to do is division in indices. Remember, once they have the same base, you subtract their power. So this is going to be 2 to the power of 1 minus 2 over 3. Now this is a fraction. The LCM is going to become 3. So it's something now. 2 to the power of LCM 3. 3 divided by nothing. 3 divided by 1 that is under here is 3. 3 times 1 is what? 3 minus 3 divided 3 here is 1. 1 times 2 is what? 2. So if you subtract it, it's going to give us what? 2 to the power of what? 1 over 3 times our 1 that is being here. You know that you multiply 1 with anything, it's going to give you back that thing. So times 1 is going to give us 2 to the power of 1 over 3. So our final answer here is going to be what? 2 to the power of 1 over 3. Okay, you got that right? Bye.